On this question, we would like to present our topic entitled Digitalization in Public Administration Strategy to Achieve Good Governance in the Society 5.0 era. Before we proceed to the main discussion, it is important briefly understand the concept of the Society 5.0 era. This concept refers to human society in which advanced technology era utilized not merely for efficiency but also to address various social issues in an intelligent and integral manner. In this era, technology such as big data, artificial intelligence, and the Internet of Things have become integral part of everyday life. Therefore, every government is required not only to adopt technology but also to strategically manage and utilize it within public administration. For this reason, the digitalization of public administration becomes a crucial strategy in achieving good governance in the increasingly complex and dynamic society 5.0 era. The further elaborates on the topic Aulia will explain the transformative of the administrative paradigm in the context.
Thank you, Rohit. Ladies and gentlemen, within the context of the Society 5.0 era, public administration has undergone a significant paradigm shift. Previously, bureaucratic system tended to be hierarchical, rigid, and procedural. However, in the present era, government are required to become more flexible, adaptive, and responsive to the needs of society. This shift is driven by increasing public expectation for fast, transparent, and high-quality service. In this regard, digitalization is not merely about the adoption of technology. It also represents a transformation in bureaucratic mindset. Governments are now moving toward more collaborative approaches where citizens are not only service recipient but also active participant in policy-making processes. Thus, in the Society 5.0 era, public administration must adapt to technology advancement while maintaining a strong human-centered orientation.
Furthermore, the concept of digital government becomes highly relevant in this era. Digital government refers to an approach in public administration that utilizes technology to improve service quality, enhance transparency, and increase public participation. Through the integration of information system, citizens can access public service more easily and efficiently. In addition, data transparency enables the public to understand how policies are formulated and how government performs in carry out. This reflects on of the core characteristic of the Society 5.0 era, namely openness and accessibility of information, which contribute to building public trust. For example, administrative service that previously required physical presence at government office can now be accessed online through digital platform. This clearly demonstrates how technology has transformed the interaction between government and society. Next, I will explain the importance of accountability in digital public administration.
In the Society 5.0 era, accountability has become increasingly important due to the broader access to information available to the public. With digital system, every administrative process and decision-making activity can be systematically and transparently documented. This enables higher level of transparency in
both police making and public service delivery. Moreover, citizens are able to monitor government performance directly through digital platform. As a result, the potential for misuse of authority can be significantly reduced. Digitalization of encourages public officials to perform their duty in a more professional and responsible manner, as their action can be tracked and evaluated. This is essential is strengthening public trust in government institutions within the Society 5.0 era. Next, David will discuss efficiency and effectiveness.
Thank you, Aulia. In the Society 5.0 era, efficiency serves as a key indicator of successful public administration. Through digital systems, service delivery process that previously required a considerable amount of time can now be completed more quickly. For instance, administrative procedures that one to several days can now be finalized within hours or even minutes. Additionally, digitalization reduces excessive research utilization such as paper usage and manual administrative labor, contributes to lower operational costs and more efficient use of organizational readiness.
In addition to efficiency, effectiveness is also a crucial aspect in the Society 5.0 era. With integrated data systems, governments are able to deliver services more accurately and appropriately targeted. For example, in the distribution of social assistance, digital data allows governments to identify beneficiaries who are truly eligible. Furthermore, digital-based monitoring and evaluation system enable continuous improvement in service delivery.
Furthermore, it is impossible to discuss the Society 5.0 era without addressing the role of big data. In this era, big data functions as a strategic resource for governments. By analyzing large volumes of data, governments can better understand societal needs based on patterns and trends. This allows policies to be more responsive and even predictive, enabling governments to anticipate potential social issues before they arise. In addition, the use of big data enhances accountability as police outcomes can be evaluated objectively based on data-driven analysis.
Despite the numerous advances of digitalization, its implementation still faces several challenges, particularly in Society 5.0 era. One of the major challenges in the digital divide, where access to technology remains uneven across different regions. This disparity limits equally access to digital public service. In addition, limited digital literacy among both citizens and government officials poses a significant obstacle. In an era that heavily relies on technology, the ability to understand and operate digital system essential. Therefore, comprehensive efforts are required, including the development of digital infrastructure, improvement of digital literacy, and enhancement of the resource capacity to ensure the successful implementation of digital transformation.
In conclusion, In the Society 5.0 era, the digitalization of public administration remains a crucial strategy for achieving good governance. This transformation involves not only the adaptation of technology, but also change in system, structure, and organization to government stage. Through digitalization, government can enhance transparency, strengthen accountability, and improve both efficiency and effectiveness in public service delivery. However, its success largely depends on readiness of infrastructure, the level of digital literacy, and the quality of human resources.
Therefore, it can be understood that the Society 5.0 era requires government not only to be technologically advanced but also to be adaptive, responsive, and oriented toward public need. This concludes our presentation.
Thank you very much for your attention. We sincerely apologize for any